Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Planet Fitness app is and how it's positioned. According to official Planet Fitness sources, the app is designed as a digital companion that lets users access workouts, track activity, and manage their gym experience from a mobile device. It allows users to access a large library of on-demand workouts and exercise tutorials, which are described as core features. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on verified information, the app falls under fitness and workout support tools, combining training guidance with gym-related features. Official descriptions state that users can track activity and progress using built-in tracking tools available to both members and non-members. It also includes equipment tutorials and guided exercises, which may help users understand how to use machines and improve form. Another documented feature is the crowd meter, which allows users to check how busy a gym location is before visiting. According to official sources, members can use digital check-in features and access perks like discounts and referral rewards through the app. The platform also allows users to browse workouts by type, duration, or target area, which may help tailor sessions to individual goals. Some official information highlights that many features are available even without a membership, although certain benefits are limited to members. This may indicate a system designed to support both gym users and at-home workouts rather than being limited to in-club use. This app may be useful for users who want guided workouts, fitness tracking, and gym-related tools in one place. For users interested in combining exercise tutorials, activity tracking, and gym visit planning through a mobile app, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.